In a world where seconds can save lives, information and communication technology is our strongest shield.
Through ICT real-time warnings from Pagasa, reach school like this, ensuring swift action, informed decision, and fewer casualties.
Global aid is just a click away. ICT bridges local responders with international partners, enabling faster coordination, efficient resource sharing, and transparent data reporting.
From classrooms to command centers, ICT is not just communication, it's survival. Be ready, stay informed, harness technology to save lives.
Magandang araw Pilipinas, ako si Zarina at maligayang pagdating sa aming espesyal na ulat sa araw na ito. Dadalhin namin sa inyo ang pinakabagong update tungkol sa Bagyong Paeng na kasalukuyan nakakaapekto sa ilang bahagi ng Pilipinas.
Tama yan, Zarina. Ang Bagyong Paeng na kilala rin bilang Severe Tropical Storm Nalgae ay nagdulot ng malaking pinsala sa buong bansa, lalo na sa Timog Luzon at Visayas. Mangyaring pabatid na ito ng mga numero na maaari ninyong tawagan sa oras ng emergency evacuation.
Isang bagyo ang unti-unting lumalapit at nagbabadyang makaapekto sa ating bansa. Nasa labas pa yan ng Philippine area.
In times of chaos, technology empowers communities. Digital tools track aid, reunite families, and restore order, fostering resilience in the face of disaster.